I am a policeman. Perhaps some of you at one time or the other would have come in contact with me. My job starts from 8 in the morning and I do not know when I get the relief. My work, in all probability, extends even for days together. We are two brothers. One looks after the law and order, and another the traffic. Though we have been asked to work in different fields, the division is only for a short period, and there is the possibility of exchange of duties amongst us. In olden days, people considered the role of police as only the administrator of law and order, and in that connection were afraid of approaching us. In spite of the fact that we are here only to serve them, we have not been considered due to suspicion and our methods of investigation. But with the change in the attitude of the police, it is changed. Now people realize that I am also a human being and not an enemy, and I always work for the good of the people. I am glad that the opinion of the public towards the police as well as of the police towards the public has changed. We too want to be models for others to follow. When we analyze the reasons for the people's fear, the two important factors are the dress and the address. While the khaki dress we wear does not appeal to those who approach us for help, the address by some of our colleagues is not liked by many. I agree that whenever there is some difficulty for anyone, he needs proper and soothing words from a friend and guide. This is the very purpose with which people come to us. But it appears that the color of dress causes lot of worry and anxiety. It almost prevents the needy to approach me for help. Keeping all these in view, the government have decided to change the color of the dress for the policemen so that they appear to be more friendly. The second and most important factor is the treatment which a majority of my friends give to the public. It is not only a complaint but also a fact that some of our own friends do not understand the feelings of people and try to treat them badly. It does not only project the entire family of police personnel as having an iron heart, but the higher officials have realized that something must be done to remove such misapprehensions and give a clean image to the police. It has been decided to establish special and separate counters for receiving the public and their complaints. Such of those who can talk sweetly are employed in those places, and it is their duty to receive the public not with a hard look but with kindness and solve their grievances. As regards the working conditions, I am very sorry to state that we have to work beyond the usual hours. Even though norms are prescribed, they are seldom observed in practice. I have been working for the last 20 years and there is no promotion. Sometimes the works of the policemen are recognized by the government with medals. I shall be very happy if there are really changes in the service conditions in the coming years.